So, sharing your work. I want you to share with me what you have done if you haven't already. So I am going to minimize this so as we can have a look at it. There's our lovely work there. That's a little bit too small, so I'm going to go over here now. And what we have is a lovely laid out little garden centre plan, and it's all inside our lines, which means that it's inside our pages. And we have our graph and we have our totals and everything else in there. So now your share button is up in the top right hand corner almost, and this is it here. So to send me this, you press share. Now I know that my cloud version is on because my little white button is on. Anyone with a link can edit, leave it on that. You can change this, that the people cannot change it, so or you can make it so that only specific people can edit it, but I want you to leave it as anyone with the link for me, because I will be adding on pages and what have you onto your work, and then you're just going to put in my email address, so it's at .ie, you know that, and you can send it. And of course that's not going to work because that's not a real email. Or I can decide that I want to copy the link if I want to either. If it's being contrary here, I can copy the link, and there we are. This is copied. I can see the little green tick mark there, and I can open up my email account and send a new email and send that off to me either. Or you can go into your Teams class and copy and paste it up there, or whatever it takes to get it to me, and I'll put it into your class notebook. Okay, that's it. Talk to you.